So you make an offering of it in the Lord for the salvation of souls. Many of us are suffering many things, sometimes not with any reason. Supposing you just get a bang on your leg, you know that part starts banging all the time. But every time it does, what do? Sometimes we curse. We say all kinds of things. If we only had to say, Lord, thank you for this. I offer it for the salvation of souls in union with you. It would be so beneficial. I think this is what we can do. And this is how we can also help in the salvation of the world through the little deeds that we can do in, through, and with Him, because we are marked with the blood of the Lamb. We are set free. And so whatever keeps coming to us, don't take it in. Keep it on the Lord and you be free. Let us ask the Lord's grace now, not only to understand, but to also implement it in our lives. And this requires practice. So let Him help us, each one of us. Let's hold our hands like this together. Close our eyes. And just know that for certain, we can't do without Him, and He is with us at every breath. He is the life in us. And so let us be more present to Him, allow Him to possess us fully, because without it, we will not be living in each one of our cells and in the systems that we have in our body. And surrender everything at the body, mind, spirit level, and our relationships as well, so that freed by the blood of the Lamb, we will be more in communion with Jesus, and through Him, with Him, and in Him, helping in the redemption of this world.